Hi everyone, my name is Yudi, and today we are going to learn how to set up a GitHub or a GitHub profile. So for us to do that, we are going to be going to the top left corner. So we are going to be going to our home page. So if you're already on the home page, just wait for us there. So let's get into our home page. So for you to get into your home page, you come to behind the GitHub logo, and you see these three lines here, top left, and you click on it and you say home. So you click on your home, and when you click on your home, you can say introduce yourself with your profile. So GitHub already given us a template to work with, which is cool, right? Yeah. So you click on create, and when you click on create, this interface allows you to edit. It's a readme interface, so this allows you to edit. So it has already given you hi with your name that you created the account with. So if you created the account with something that is not your name, you can edit here to put your name, because this is your profile and you'll be sending this link out to people. So next we are going to look at what we can edit here. So I'll just edit through, and I'm interested in, you can decide what you want to type here. So let me just put in data so that we don't waste time on this video. And next you can put I'm currently learning. So here I want to do some things. I want to do I'm proficient in and I'm currently learning. So I'm going to copy here out, and I'm just copy, and so you can copy and paste. So I just did copy, then I went to the front of here of this currently learning, and I tapped on enter, and I just would paste Control V. So I'm going to edit here to be proficient in maybe Excel, and should I say SQL? Yeah. So I'm deleting the three dots because we don't really need that. I'm proficient in Excel and SQL. I'm currently learning. So you move the three dots, just backspace. I'm currently learning, probably Python, depends on what you're currently learning. So I'm looking to collaborate on or collaborate with other data analysts. So it depends on, like I said, it's your profile. So it depends on what you want to tell people. How to reach me. So here I always advise LinkedIn. You can reach me via LinkedIn. So you can edit here and type what you want. You can reach me. You can reach me via LinkedIn. Um, LinkedIn. You can reach me via LinkedIn. Your pronouns, you can decide to put your pronouns here. Here, don't leave it blank. In fact, I take it out. So it depends on you. So because of this video, let me just leave it blank. So fun facts about me. Um, Fun fact about me. So you can tell us the fun fact about you. So mine is watching funny videos just to pull off the stress. Watching funny videos on YouTube. Let me just put funny videos, that's all. So this is, if this is how you want your profile to be, you're good to go. But if you can also edit this icons, this little emojis here. So if for example, I don't like this eyes, I don't like this hand, I love this love sign, so I highlight it, and control C it, copy it, and come here, I remove the hand here, the high five here, and let's right click and paste. So let's paste. I paste that. I come here also, I remove it, backspace, and you can right click and paste, or you can just control V it. So I come here also, I backspace it, like by removing it, I just control V it, and here also I just remove this as that sign and just control V it. So when you're done, you can just preview to see how it's going to look like. So I preview that. As you can see, it came out so nice. And if you're cool with this, you can commit changes. Commit changes means you save it. But if you think that there are more things you need to add to it, you just come here, edit it back, and you edit it. So if you're cool with it, you look at it again. Am I cool with it? Yes. Then you commit changes twice. Commit changes first time and you commit changes second time. So commit changes help you save it. So when you're done with the commit changes, you can just click here, learn with UD, or you can just come here by the top right and you click on your profile. So when you click on the profile, this is your about you. So this is your profile. Your profile is already set up. When someone comes, the person already has um the person already knows who you are before. If the person wants to send a message, person knows that, oh, you want to collaborate with data analyst. Okay, let me reach out to her. So this is how to set up your profile on GitHub. Hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.